again. So,
Another day.
we got the WRX, we got the lift already and everything. What the heck are we doing anyway?
Got a new downpipe.
New downpipe.
Yep.
For real?
Yep.
We just did some exhaust stuff.
Yep.
The HKS, yeah.
Piecing the exhaust together.
Cool, man.
So for real, we want to shoot fire. I know that we're gonna end up having to get an ECU tuned eventually, but right now we're taking out all the bottlenecks. So we've got the downpipe, and what type of downpipe have we got?
There's a access port downpipe. Catless, no cats.
Word?
What does this thing look like?
It looks pretty cool.
Looks like a big box.
Yeah.
This is gonna be what, fully catless at this point then?
Yep.
Awesome.
It's used. I bought it from a buddy,
Hey man.
but
Yo, if it's catless, it doesn't even matter if it's used really.
Yeah.
That's freaking beautiful.
got the huge Bell Mouth.
That is massive for
You'll
real.
see the stock one.
Dude.
Has like
A flat top.
blocked off right there, and it's only that big.
Oh shoot, so we're
Really opening this up.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna be a lot easier to get the flame from the engine all the way to the back, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Aha! Goals.
I'm gonna take the downpipe bolts off first where it meets the turbo.
good call.
Is that turbo still like burning hot?
It's a little warm.
Yeah.
I wouldn't touch it for more than 2 seconds.
Yeah, you guys are gonna definitely want to let
Let the engine cool before you start working on an exhaust.
Yeah. This would be a lot easier with the intercooler off. It'd be nice if I could get ratchet there, but you can't.
Ratchet wrench for the wrench.
Ow.
like,
Yeah, shit is definitely still hot.
like working on a grill.
We ain't got time to let it cool down.
Cool. So we got the
Top bolts are out.
top bolts out, turbo right here, and we're gonna be taking that thing out. So we'll lift the car and we'll get underneath. Cool, man.
So, that's the bottom of the downpipe, yeah?
Yep.
Cool, man.
Is our two sensor disconnected?
Alright, so now I'm just gonna do this guy.
Cool, so it's disconnected up top, disconnected here. So you're gonna swap this part out.
Yep.
Yeah.
That was easy enough.
Yeah, go ahead and show him how the downpipe looks like.
Yeah, right? Let's do it side by side. Restriction! Restriction!
Oh yeah, this thing.
Right? Holy crap, you were totally... Whoa!
See the difference.
Yeah.
Yo, that is like... This isn't even part of the funnel. And then that's a full... Holy crap, man. This
Oh,
is
yeah.
really limited.
Well, sure.
Whoa. Fuck
And
yeah.
this should allow me to not throw a code because it'll back the O2 sensor out far enough away from the exhaust gas.
Yeah?
Dude, man, that's pretty. That's a nice part right there.
Oh yeah. Beautiful.
So you're using the donut?
Yeah. That should work great.
Sweet.
Ready?
Yeah.
On my nut. Ow.
Alright, so really it's just these two bolts. What, this hanger bolt
Yep.
and the bolts up top.
Yep. I gotta put the O2 sensor back in.
Oh, there.
Alright, so.
Oh.
Things just
That's
got a little
no
bit more
bueno.
complicated.
Well,
Did
To the
you?
vice
to the
grip.
vice. Oil that creeps.
Well, my peeps.
Basically, same shit.
It's
PV Blaster,
WD-40.
WD-40.
Yeah.
Same shit. KROIL.
Yay!
Sweet.
That goes right up in there.
Yep. Cool. Plug her back in.
Alright.
Yeah.
You want to go?
Yeah, I want it to get hot. I just didn't want it to touch the exhaust. Actually, I guess it should be fine. I'll zip tie it up in there so it's out of the way of the exhaust. Put the bolt back in.
Okay.
Ratchet wrench for the win.
Cool. That's it.
Alright. Are we ready to start this thing?
Yep. Yeah.
Woo!
Moment of truth.
See what this thing sounds like.
Yo! Yo, that sounds so good. Yeah, man. Fuck yeah. It's got crackles and pops. Bye. Yo. Woo! That thing is mean.
Damn right.
Access port.
Access port downpipe.
Access port downpipe. That's what it sounds like.
What
Let
it's
us.
called. I don't know if that's the actual brand, but
Well, if you get one, hopefully it matches up with what we just showed you. And if you like the videos, make sure to click below to like, comment, share with all your friends, and subscribe. And make sure to pick up one of our decals available at zturnerdesigns.com/shop. And let us know what you think about the sound of this downpipe in combination with the HKS. We didn't quite shoot fire yet, but we'll get there. Cool.
thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below and share the video, and we'll see you next time.
Dude, that was cool.